thanks for clicking on my video.
Today I'm going to be painting up Lady Olynder in my usual gory style. I've already based her with Army Painter matte black primer. I didn't stick on the banshees yet because I think it'll be easier to paint her as she is. I'll be using Vallejo as usual. Today I've gone for dead white, black, bloody red, orange fire, polished gold and dark green. It might seem counterproductive to base her in black when I want her to be white, but this way I know the shadow will be darker than the highlights, and I want her robes to be a dirty, dull kind of white. And having the base in black is going to reduce the vibrancy of all the colours on top. I'm mixing white with a little bit of water to give translucency, but I don't want it to build up in the crack, as this will mean that the contrast is the wrong way round. I'm going to dry it with a cold hairdryer so I don't melt the plastic. Then I'll start dry brushing more white with my flat brush. This means that the high points of the model will definitely be the whitest parts, and my first layer will act as a mid-tone. After that's dry, I'm going to take some red and black, mix that with water, and wash over the whole model. I want to start dirtying the material to make her robes look weathered. Now I'm taking a fine brush and selecting some bits to highlight to make the contrast pop. I'm going back to my red-black mix and using it more heavily at the bottom of the material. I'm going for a blood-soaked look, as if she's been wading through something gruesome. After that layer's dry, I'm going to add some more bloody red to my mix, increasing the vibrancy, and dabbing that on as fresher blood spatters. Moving on to the details, I'm just using straight red and green. Red for the roses and green for the vines. I mixed gold and orange for the metallic bits, then washed over with black when it was dry to make them look aged. As a finishing touch, some more highlights with white. I'm happy with it now, so I'll move on to the base. Taking my lichen, I'm just deciding on a colour scheme. I went with the darker foresty green to complement her kind of poison ivy vibes. I'm using PVA and tea leaves for the base, then adding on my lichen with more PVA. I sealed the base with Liquitex matte varnish spray. Okay, let's take a look at her in all her glory. Not bad, she looks pretty spooky. If you love this kind of gory horror look, check out my other Grimdark videos, and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments below which models you'd like to see get this treatment. And give me a like if you like this video. Back with more tutorials soon. See you then!